Ulat ka jalla Satyapal Malik mentak sniul apan semai unang bishar Chief Justice Bathamai jong ka yeng bishar Meghalaya High Court Haraj Bhavan. Haka nagjing pensmai unang bishar Sanjeev Banerjee la don rengkat u lampang ka yeng dor barthau an ka Meghalaya uba Ahmed Baling do u menteri bari pe ki kam an u James K Sangma unang ilam ka kaliang persha u Dr Mukul Sangma bat kinong bishar jong ka Meghalaya High Court kumunong bishar HS Thangkyu unang bishar Wan Lura Ding do bat kiwei. U Chief Justice Banerjee ula pendebi ki jingpuli jong u na St Saviour's College School Calcutta but na St Paul School Darjeeling. Ula pendebi ka jingpuli BA but chimru ka economics kum ka honors subject hakasnam khatkhandai spa prapulai but ka LLB hakasnam khatkhandai spa prapuhinyau na ka University of Calcutta. U Chief Justice Banerjee ula asdang ka kam kum un muktiar na ro ka arpoi tarik unai weng khatkhandai spa handai po haka yeng bishar jong ka High Court ha Calcutta but kum juru ka yeng bishar bakli do jong ka ri ka Supreme Court of India.
Of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favour, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.